Have you ever wondered how a generator produces electricity? In this video, we will take a closer look at how a generator works, from fuel input to power output, and what's happened inside the machine to keep your lights on. A generator starts with fuel. This could be diesel, natural gas, steam. When the generator is turned on, the fuel power an internal combustion engine, just like the engine in a car. The engine is responsible for creating mechanical energy. The engine spins a shaft that is connected to a key component called as alternator. The alternator is where mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, but how exactly does it happen? The alternator has two main parts, the rotor and the stator. The rotor is the rotating part and the stator is stationary. The rotor creates a magnetic field either using permanent magnet or by passing current through the winding to form an electromagnet. As the rotor spins inside the stator, it causes a change in magnetic flux according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This movement includes an electric current in the stator winding, and that's how electricity is born. The generated current flows through the stator coil and is sent to the output terminal. From here, the electricity can be used to power homes, businesses, or equipments, depending on the size and types of generator. Modern generators also include a voltage regulator. These ensure that the voltage remains stable even as the load changes. A control panel allows you to monitor output, fuel level, and engine status, and shut down the generator if needed. To keep the generator using smoothly, include a cooling system to prevent overheating and exhaust system to remove combustion gases. Regular maintenance is important to ensure safe and reliable operation of this process. So in summary, fuel power the engine which spins the rotor inside the alternator. This creates a magnetic field that induces electricity in the stator. That electricity is then regulated and supplied to your devices. Generators are powerful tools that turn fuel into electricity when you needed it most, whether during a power outage, on a remote site, or as a backup for critical systems. Now you know exactly how they work from the inside out. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found value in this video, do subscribe.